Starting with Inkscape. Hi, I'm Kirsten. In these videos we use Inkscape 1.2. If there are new features, we also use Inkscape 1.3. When you start Inkscape, this is what you see. Quick setup. In this course we use these settings: Appearance, Classic Inkscape. And we choose the light theme. Time to draw. Here you can choose an existing file, a template, or just click New Document. After a new installation, I always have to change things in the interface. The bar on the right side, I want to have it at the top. Menu bar, View, uncheck widescreen. Now you see the bar here. The icons are really small. You can change it in the Preferences. Edit, Preferences. Click on Interface, Toolbars. I use 175%. If I make them even bigger, they would fall off my screen. Close the Preferences dialog with the cross. The toolbox is the most important part. You just click on an icon to choose that specific tool, for example, the circle tool. Directly above the page is the Tool Controls bar. Here you see specific options of the tool you selected. I make a circle. Now I switch to the star tool and I make a star. I change the color. And with the selection tool I can move items. How can I zoom in or out? By pressing the plus and minus on the keyboard. I always use Ctrl and scrolling on the mouse wheel. My favorite button is the 5. It shows the complete page. If you are zoomed in, these bars appear. Use those to go left or right, or up and down. Even easier is it to press the mouse wheel for this. This is called panning. This video is part of the course Inkscape for Artists. It contains a book, 28 videos, 100 exercises and a PDF of the book. We also have a website, inkscapefriends.com, with tutorials, a preview of the course which you can download, and there is a forum where you can ask questions and show your artwork. Thank you for watching.